Here's the interesting app called SEER Time Traces, 20,000 ratings. With our advanced technology, you can enter the time traces and see a look after decades. See what your baby will look like in a baby prediction. Learn how to pursue your love with seduction guide. Eliminate all of your confusion unlimitedly in Wisdom Book. Find out which celebrity you're most similar to. Share your wishes with others on which planet. So quite interesting app, as you can see in here. Hair switch, baby prediction, book of wisdom, wish planet, and then yeah, you can just go and install it. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And then yeah, you can then just open it up, and yeah, here it is. And then yeah, you can see that the price is like $7 per week, which you can try. Then there is some free version, then 3-day free trial, then $7 per week. So that's at least what you can get. And then you can just explore all the different things in very limited free version. So you can see like for example, you can just get access to photos, and then for example, I just wanna try this. So here's the result. Unfortunately, you can't see it. So I thought it would be possible to see.
If you want to know what you will look,
Unfortunately, no, it's not possible. And then yeah, you can also try the same thing with hairstyle, with bird style, animal deformation, baby prediction, celeb match, all of things like that. Daily fortune cookie. You can find all additional things. So yeah, that's the app. A lot of ads, so definitely you need to upgrade. But here is the app, SEER. Try it out.